Let's learn how to replace printheads in your HP Smart Tank. Make sure the printer is on. Open the doors. Press and hold the black color copy button for 3 seconds until the carriage moves. Push down on the blue carriage latch to open it. Push down on the printhead and remove it. Note that there might be ink on the printhead. Open a printhead. Remove the orange plugs and tape and avoid touching the contacts. Push the printhead in and up to snap it in place. Close the carriage latch, the printhead access door, and the exterior door. For best quality, you can print an alignment page.